Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add pictures from Picsart. So first of all, we want to open Picsart. After opening the Picsart, here is an option. You can see here, open editor. Click on that. And from here for adding a picture, here on the left, you can see here menu options, and here is an option. You can see here photos. Click on that. And from here you can just see your recent pictures here, or you can take it from the library, or otherwise you can just search the image that you wanted. And I just choose an image over here. So this is how you can add an image on Picsart. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.